Hello friends. First, take a look at this website. All the photo looks really clean with proper models showing a same clothes on different poses. Looks professional and attractive. Now, take a look at this website. It looks cluttered. There is multiple clothes wear by multiple models. Now, if you want to create this kind of professional and attractive website, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Shopify along with an AI tool that does the AI photography, videography, along with the model with the different poses. So let's get started. First, go to the tools website. The link you can find in the description. Click on Start Free Trial in the center. Then log in with your Google account. This is SellerPic's homepage, where you will see many features. I have made tutorial on some of the features of SellerPic. You can find the link from the description as well as you can see the videos on the screen. First, we'll take the clothes image and do the model's photography with it. Let's see how to do it. Go back to SellerPic and click on Virtual Try-On. In the center, you will see a box with options like only top, only bottom, full body, one-piece garment. Select according to your product. Mine is one-piece garment. So I click on it. Then click on Upload Image box to upload my clothes image. After uploading, the background will be automatically removed. Next, go to the right-hand side box. You will see two options, Model Library and Own Model. The first one has ready-made models, and in the second, you can upload your own model image. I'll click on Model Library. You will see many models here, including children. You can filter models by gender, age, region, apparel type, apparel style, background, and under custom, you can upload your own model image. I select the model I like according to my clothes. Then click confirm at the bottom. Once the model is selected, the clothes area will be automatically brushed. If some area remains, click adjust area where you can select, deselect, lasso, brush plus, brush minus, inverse tools. I skip this step. I hope you all knows about this feature. Now on the bottom right, you will see the pose variation option, which we will explore later. After selecting the model, click generate. This will cost you 4 credits and generate 4 images. In a few minutes, SellerPic will give us the final clothes model photography. Here is the final result. Now that we have done with clothes model photography, let's see how to convert the same model image into videography using SellerPic. This way you can showcase your product properly through video ads and video promotions. So to convert into video, go to generated image and select one you like. From here, you can download the image, convert it to video, remix, recreate it or compare it. To animate the image, click image to video. In the center, you will see the clothes model. You can upload multiple images frame by frame to create a video. On the right hand side, SellerPic provides multiple video presets for different products. To animate a custom clothes model, you can choose from these presets. For example, I use the latest VO3 features. Next, enter your video prompt in the box. So I have already prepared mine. I'm just going to paste it here. So if you need the video prompt format, comment SellerPic VO3 prompt in the comment box. Then tick the box to auto-generate synchronized audio. Under video settings, select a video style based on your model or product. Choose the category, then set the video durations. Since we choose VO3, it will be 8 seconds. Finally, click generate and SellerPic will prepare your clothes model video in few minutes. Here is the final result. Looks great, right?
Really good.
Okay, now our video supports more than 25 different native languages. So if you're not comfortable watching in English, so go to the setting of video, click on audio track and select the language you like.
यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि पीडर बॉक्स, बोतल, फूड पैकेजिंग, पाउच, कैन।
Seleccionaré una y podrás ver varias maquetas de bolsas disponibles.
So now let's see the new feature of SellerPic, which is pose changer. We'll use our own product photography and change the pose into the same photography. Let's see how will it come up. SellerPic has features like virtual try-on accessories, virtual try-on apparel, swap fashion model, lip sync video, product in hand, product spotlight, lifestyle scene. So I have made tutorials on most of the features. People are loving it. So if you have missed it, make sure you watch it by clicking on the link from the description. To change the pose, click the pose changer feature. Upload your clothes model image in the center. On the right, you will see 10 ready-made poses like front, back, close-up. You can select multiple poses. If you want to create custom pose, click post description and enter your prompt. There are also ready-made post descriptions like sitting cross legs, running pose, hand behind back, hand on hips. Whichever you like, you can select. I choose the ready-made pose and click generate. SellerPic will create all the poses in few minutes with just one click. Here is the final pose variation images. So now let's see much talked about feature of SellerPic, which is SellerPic Shopify integrations. So you can directly connect your Shopify website with the SellerPic. Let's see how does it work. Go to Shopify and log in with your account. On the left side, click products. After clicking on it, you can click on add product and upload your product image. Fill in other details and click save. So now you can see your first image in your Shopify website is ready. Now go back to SellerPic, then choose a feature based on your product. Click upload image, select Shopify, and SellerPic will show all the products in your Shopify account. Select the product you want to do photography for and you are done. This will help you to showcase and promote your products better. So this is a complete tutorial of SellerPic where we are doing the clothes AI photography, videography, and also changing the pose of our models and creating again the videos. And the best feature for me is the direct integration with Shopify. So it's a complete tool if you are an e-commerce user. So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your e-commerce friend. See you in the next one.